Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Facebook pixel to ClickFunnels. This integration is essential for tracking your audience and optimizing your ad spend. We'll go through the exact steps to ensure your pixel is correctly set up, allowing you to gather crucial data on visitor behavior. This process helps you understand what's working and where to focus your marketing efforts, ultimately leading to more effective campaigns and better return on investment. First, you need to locate your Facebook Pixel ID. Head over to your Facebook Business Manager and find the Events Manager. Within the Events Manager, select your specific data source. You'll then see your unique 15-digit Pixel ID displayed prominently. Make sure to copy this entire number accurately, as it's the key identifier that links your Facebook advertising account to your ClickFunnels pages. This ID is critical for proper tracking. Now, let's add that Pixel ID to your ClickFunnels account. Log in to ClickFunnels and navigate to the specific funnel where you want to implement tracking. Once inside your funnel, click on the Settings tab. Look for the Tracking Codes section. Here, you will paste your 15-digit Facebook Pixel ID into the header tracking code box. Remember to save your changes immediately to ensure the pixel is correctly embedded across all pages in your funnel. Finally, it's crucial to verify that your Facebook pixel is working correctly. Install the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension, available for most web browsers. Then, visit your live ClickFunnels page. The Pixel Helper icon in your browser will light up, showing you if the pixel is active and what events are firing. Look for green check marks, which indicate successful installation and data collection. This step ensures your tracking is fully operational and ready to gather valuable insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.